Unveiling the Penstock, a dive into language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a not-so-common yet intriguing English word, penstock. Whether you're a student, engineer, or just curious about new words, stick with us as we explore this term and its context. A penstock is a term primarily used in engineering and environmental sciences. It refers to a sluice or gate or a channel used to control the flow of water. You'll often find penstocks in dams, where they are essential in water management, allowing controlled water flow to the turbines for electricity generation. In essence, a penstock is a vital cog in the wheel of water regulation. The word penstock has a storied history. It comes from Old English, where pen refers to an enclosure, and stock means a stump or post. Combined, they originally described a wooden structure that directed water. Over time, the term evolved to refer to any channel or pipe that carries water, retaining the essence of directing and containing flow. Understanding a word means being able to use it correctly. Here's how you might encounter penstock in a sentence. The engineers adjusted the penstock to increase the water flow to the turbines. During the inspection, they found that the penstock was in need of repairs to prevent a leak. By using it in various sentences, we see that penstock is a noun that often comes into play when discussing the control and movement of water in an industrial or environmental context. We hope this exploration of the word penstock adds a new layer to your English vocabulary. It's a specific term that might not come up in everyday conversation, but it's a valuable word with a rich history and a critical role in water management. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to diving into more words with you. Keep learning and expanding your horizons, one word at a time.